Hello, children! Are you ready for spelling and reading lesson? Let's start. Let's spell the word cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now, let's use the word cat in a sentence. The cat can run. Again. The cat can run. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word bat. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Now, let's use the word bat in a sentence. The bat is black. Again. The bat is black. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word jam. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Now, let's use the word jam in a sentence. Gab has a jam. Again. Gab has a jam. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. And now, let's use the word mat in a sentence. The mat is big. Again. The mat is big. Your turn to read, children. The next word is red. Red. R E D. Red. Now, let's use the word red in a sentence. The mat is red. Again. The mat is red. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word cup. Cup. C-A-P. Cup. And now, let's use the word cup in a sentence. The cup is blue. Again. The cup is blue. Your turn to read, children. The next word is dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Now, let's use the word dog in a sentence. The dog is brown. Again. The dog is brown. Your turn to read, children. The next word is bug. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Now, let's use the word bug in a sentence. The bug is red. Again. The bug is red. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word net. Net. N-E-T. Net. Now, let's use it in a sentence. The net is big. Again. The net is big. Your turn to read, children. The next word is boy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Now, let's use the word boy in a sentence. The boy can run. Again. The boy can run. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. The cat can run. The bat is black. Gab has a jam. The mat is big. The mat is red. The cap is blue. The dog is brown. The bug is red. The net is big. The boy can run. Great job, children! Hello, children! Are you ready for another spelling and reading lesson? Let's start. Let's spell the word girl. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Now, let's use the word girl in a sentence. The girl has long hair. Again. The girl has long hair. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word bird. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Now, let's use the word bird in a sentence. The bird can fly. Again. The bird can fly. Your turn to read, children. The next word is book. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Now, let's use it in a sentence. My book is thick. Again. My book is thick. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word cake. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Now, let's use the word cake in a sentence. This cake looks yummy. Again. This cake looks yummy. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word boat. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. And now, let's use the word boat in a sentence. That boat is mine. Again. That boat is mine. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word door. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. And now, let's use the word door in a sentence. The door is open. Again. The door is open. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word bear. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Now, let's use the word bear in a sentence. We saw a big bear. Again. We saw a big bear. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Now, let's use it in a sentence. I have a pet fish. Again, I have a pet fish. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word ball. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Now, let's use the word ball in a sentence. I have a new ball. Again. I have a new ball. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word star. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. And now, let's use the word star in a sentence. The star is yellow. Again. The star is yellow. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. The girl has long hair. The bird can fly. My book is thick. This cake looks yummy. That boat is mine. The door is open. We saw a big bear. I have a pet fish. I have a new ball. The star is yellow. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.